say you want to start this Sunday, but you can't seem to part with your ways. Only you also want to fry plantain, but you have no oil and gas maintained. It's like saying you want to get degrees, but forgetting to pay school fees. 2026 is just around the corner, and the only thing we do your mind are 6, 7. What a bummer. What do you even mean? What is this behavior that is your average state of being? Okay, you think I'll be your median? They play. See as it does a joke like Batman. Oh, you said the Batman doesn't joke, so why all the delay? All I'm saying maybe does, but maybe the thing not deal with you, so take the thing turn to rust for your hand. This video is not exactly a pat on your back, but it's the thing you need to stay on track. TikTok, don't be a time waster.